Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can generate over $10 per week by doing absolutely nothing. It's going to be super easy guys, super simple, and it works in all countries. So give this a shot and I'm going to show you how exactly you can utilize this to the best of your abilities so you can make the most money out of this entire situation and out of this entire site that we're going to be going over. So let's get straight into this. So guys, the site that we're talking about today is actually going to be GrabPoints. Now what GrabPoints is it's actually a site where you can do different surveys, you can complete offers, and I know what you guys are thinking, okay, another survey app, another offer app, we hate these. We absolutely hate these, and guys, honestly, I hate them too. I hate survey apps, I hate different offers, I just hate doing that. But guys, one thing that's unique that this site actually has is actually going to make you passive income. And if you don't know what passive income means, it means you're getting it passively, so you're just getting it automatically without having to put in any work at all. So, guys, what this actually has here is actually watching TV. So you can watch videos and just let it autoplay in the background. Alright, and that's how you can make money passively from this website. Now, guys, once you're here, just come to grabpoints.com, and here you guys can sign up right here with your email address, your password, and your and you can confirm your password here, and then click sign up now, or you can sign up with Facebook or Google. And once you guys do that, you can then log in here, and as you can see, I'm logged in right now, guys. I already have an account, and as you can see, this is the page that you'll be greeted to here on GrabPoints. So what this site actually does is you're able to do different surveys like I just said, but the thing that we're mainly focusing on today is the watch videos. So if we come up here, as you can see, there's this watch videos button at the top. Now what you guys can do is actually click on this, and here we can start watching videos for money, for points, and we can cash out for PayPal money. It's kind of insane, guys. Like, honestly, it's really cool. I've only been doing this for like a day now, and honestly, guys, check out my points up here. I have 196 points. I believe that's like 10 cents. I've been doing this all day, and there's more that you could do, guys. Let me just show you. Let's just get into this, guys. Now, before we get into this, I want to ask you guys really quickly if you guys can subscribe down below with the notification bell set to all, so you guys can get videos to your subscription feed on how to make money online and different money making opportunities that you can do from your smartphone and of course on your computers, laptops, and any other device. And also, guys, really quickly, I want you guys to comment down below what device you use so I can make videos tailored to you and tailored to how you guys can specifically make money from your specific device. Alright guys, drop a like down below as well, and let's get back into this. So, here we are on GrabPoints. Once again, guys, you can watch videos, and that's what we're doing today, baby, because this is gonna be lit. So, once again, before we go over this, I do want to show you guys this really quickly. So, you guys can actually do paid surveys right here at the top. Just click this paid surveys button, and you can actually do paid surveys, such as, Opinion Capital. There's so many different surveys that give you hundreds and hundreds of points. Now, guys, I don't recommend these. You could if you want to get many points, but guys, I personally hate surveys. I don't know about you guys, but I hate surveys. So what can you do? That's besides surveys. You can actually click on the do offers button up here, and you can do offers. Now, once again, I don't like doing offers. I hate doing surveys, and I hate doing offers. So if you guys are anything like me and you hate doing those two things, I'm going to show you some cool stuff that you can do to gain points today, and quick and easy and fast, and you guys are going to love this. Watch closely. So what you're going to do is click this watch videos button here at the top. Now, there's two different watch video options. So the first one is going to be hideout.tv. This is a very well-known website where you guys can generate points and then transfer the points over to your GrabPoints account just for watching videos. This is a very well-known one. I love using it. There's so many other sites that use it as well. But yeah, and then there's this Jun Videos one right here. This one's not as good. I do want to say that really quickly. Jun Videos isn't that good. You might be able to do it once per day and get 20 points quick and easy. But other than that, you're not going to really get much from it. The one you want to focus on is Hideout.tv, because there's unlimited videos. And you can just let this autoplay all day long and just generate points without you even having to put in any work. It's crazy, guys. Watch closely. Guys, really quickly before we continue, I want you guys to know that I'm putting my referral link in the description. What that means is if you guys click the link in the description, you can actually sign up to grab points and get a free 500 points to start off with. That is absolutely insane, guys. Like, that's more points than I have. So if you guys sign up using my link down below, you're gonna get 500 free points just for doing nothing and just clicking my link. Guys, it is absolutely insane. You're also helping me out by giving me $1 in points, guys, so thank you guys so much. And it helps you out a tremendous amount. 500 points is an insane amount to start with. Trust me, guys, you'll get to the goals quicker and quicker. But yeah, let's come back to this watch videos page here, because I want to show you guys how to use it. So once you're here, you're going to click on this Hideout.tv thing. Boom, just click on it. It'll then take you over to this page right here, which is like the Hideout.tv area. What you guys are actually going to do is click on one of these categories, okay? So there's food, there's music videos, there's celebrity videos, there's viral videos. Choose whatever topic you want to. I usually go with the food because they're the shortest videos and you can earn the most. So we're just going to click on this and click on this, and boom, will now bring us over to Hideout.tv, where we could then start watching the videos. As you can see, it'll pull up a video here, and what it's going to do is actually load an ad. So it's going to load an ad, we're going to watch the ad, and then it's going to play a video, alright? And then after the video, it'll load another ad, and then we're going to watch the ad, and then play another video. So that is how it works, guys. It's just ad and video and ad and video, and it just rolls through on autoplay. Now really quickly, guys, I want to inform you, you do have to sign up for Hideout.tv. So once you're on this page here watching videos, you're actually going to come up here behind my face cam right there at the top here, and you're going to click on this little icon right here. It should say like sign up or something like that. Click on it. It should say like sign up or create an account or whatever. Alright, you're going to create an account. Once you have an account, you can then come back here and if you want to, just click on this page right here and then go over here and just redo this whole process. Once you have an account, make sure you're logged in, because now once you're logged in, guys, you're going to be earning points and you can actually cash out. So once again, it's going to play ad, video, ad, video, ad, video, and you're going to earn so much points, guys, and money from this, guys. So really quickly, I do want to say, if we come down here and we click on this rewards button right below the video, you can see how many points you've actually earned. Now really quickly, I want to clarify that these are not the points that you're earning on grab points. These are hideout points. So what that means is hideout points is what you get for watching these videos and ads and all that stuff, okay? Now, once you're done with whatever you're doing, okay, watching videos and all that stuff, once you want to cash out, just click redeem, and of course, guys, they'll bring you over to here, and your little points thing right here, you'll actually have grab points linked to your Hideout.tv account already automatically for you, which is really, really nice. You're going to click redeem balance, which I can't right now because you can only do it 3 times per 24 hours. So yeah, you're going to click redeem balance, and then select from the drop down menu. It'll say grab points. You're going to click on the grab points thing, and then you're ready to cash out. It'll tell you how many hideout points converts into grab points. So right now, 227 hideout points will probably convert into somewhere like 180 grab points. So yeah, and then once you click convert, it'll then give you the points over here, and you're ready. You have the points and all that stuff, guys. Now once again, you can just keep the videos auto playing in the background all day long, guys, and you can earn so much points, guys. Super easy. Now once you're ready to actually cash out, this is the most craziest part. Are you guys ready for this? Let's go. Once you guys are ready to cash out, you're going to come up here and click the reward store up at the top. Now, this is going to show you all the rewards you can get. You can get Kohl's. You can get all these different gift cards, right? But the one we all want, I know, the one we all want is PayPal, right? How do you get that? Well, you guys are just going to come up here and click on online shopping, and you'll see PayPal right here, everybody. You only need 3,000 points to cash out a $3 PayPal. So 1,000 points equals $1, and then you can, of course, redeem it and get your rewards, guys. And that is pretty much it. Once again, guys, use my link in the description box down below to sign up for a free 500 points just for using my link, guys. That's crazy. That's half of $1. Guys, that's 50 cents for just using my link Come on, guys, use it down below. Sign up for free today. It's crazy, dude. Hopefully this helped you guys out. Hope you guys enjoy, and make sure you guys subscribe down below with the notification bell on so you guys never miss out on any money-making opportunities and money-making websites and apps on your favorite devices, so you guys can utilize the internet power of today, of 2020. There's so many money-making websites out there, so many money-making opportunities out there. I do not want you guys to miss out on them. Trust me, they are insane. So subscribe with notifications on so you don't have to miss out on them. You will get them directly to your inbox on YouTube. Also, guys, drop a like down below if you did enjoy. It just helps me get further in the algorithm so I can show this video to more of the people who want to learn how to make money online. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video, guys, and peace out, everybody.